Today is going to be an actual mental video. So behind me we've got my Golf R, the Lamborghini, the Mustang, the Maserati, the M2 and the A45S. The M2 and the A45, obviously not mine, they are Mallory Performances, but they are bringing them as well, and we are going to be racing all of them at the track. Now obviously the main race I want to see is this tuned Golf R, my 414 bhp Golf R versus my 550 bhp Lamborghini. I want to see if that thing can keep up with that thing. It's like 15 grand to an 85 grand car, so if that beat that, it would be absolutely insane. Now we've got to go to the petrol station and fill all of them up, which is going to absolutely break my bank account. So, well, let's go. And now every car is filled up. That has absolutely rinsed me. Off to the track.
Champagne Perrier, finished friends on my face, looking like I'm from the D. D's no Cartiers.
So we have finally arrived at Everyman Racing driving centre in Prestworld, Leicester, literally just down the road for me, where all of my cars are going to be racing. I've been wanting to do this for so long, and this day is it's going to be absolutely unreal. So the Lambo, the Golf R, the Maserati, the Mustang, the A45, BMW 140i, all of them are going to be going head to head. We've got a quarter-mile drag strip just down there, and a massive shout out and big thank you for Everyman for letting us use the track today. And there's also going to be a little giveaway involved here. So as a massive thank you for all you guys for watching this channel and clicking that subscribe button, I've managed to pull some strings here at Everyman Racing, and they're giving away a driving experience completely free in a Lamborghini Gallardo exactly like mine. There's 3 steps to enter, and again, it's completely free. You've just got to click the link in the description box below, like their Facebook page, like the post, and then comment Matt sent me here. Obviously share it as well, and it's completely free, and you'll be entered into a chance to go around the track in a Lamborghini Gallardo. Right, let's get on with the races. Okay, so the first race, Hannah in her Ford Mustang versus the Maserati Liberty Wall. Everyone knows that red cars are the quickest, so we're going to get that over and done with first. Actually, this is probably going to be the slowest race out of all of them. We've got rear-wheel drive, 415 bhp and 400 bhp. They both weigh 1.8 tons. I think the Maserati is going to get left behind. Both of these are V8s. Which one sounds better? Hannah, you ready?
Are you ready to lose?
Let's get this done. 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! The Maserati is up on one! The Maserati is doing it, come on! Ah, the Mustang! Okay, so the Mustang versus Maserati was actually closer than I imagined. But now you're probably thinking, why is the Lambo lined up against the Maserati? Well, it actually makes sense in my head, kind of. This Maserati list price and this Lambo are the most 2 expensive cars here from new. From new, the Maserati is £79,000, believe it or not. £79,000. And from new, the Gallardo is £140,000. So these are the 2 most expensive cars here. We're going to race them. We already know the outcome, but I just want to show you guys how much quicker the Lambo, well, is hopefully going to be than the Maserati. I've put Phil in the Maserati because he is a speed freak, so he's used to the power. Let's get this done. Well, safe to say the Maserati got absolutely gapped there and I was wheel spinning. Right, this is where things start to get serious. We've got a little tournament going on first, and we're going to start off with the 2 hot hatches, the new A45S and the Mallory Performance tuned M140i. So here it is, the new A45S at 415 bhp with 500 newton meters of torque, weighing only 1.6 ton, but the price from new, £50,000. Going against the Mallory Performance tuned M140i with 417 bhp with 515 newton meters of torque, weighing less at 1.5 ton, but rear wheel drive.
That smoked it, didn't it?
It's just because it's four-wheel drive.
So the A45S moving into the next round quite easily, in fact, but how will it tally up against the Mallory Performance tuned BMW M2? We have the A45S going through to the next round versus the BMW M2. Now, there's a reason why we've left the M2 till now, and because this is tuned. This is a tuned M2 and it's over 500 bhp. So we have Elliot in the M2 and Baz in the A45. Let's do this.
Absolutely annihilated.
No chance.
So the A45 is becoming quite the one to beat at the minute, but how will it tally up against my Stage 2 Golf R? Now this one I'm excited for. My Golf R, Stage 2, 414 brake, 500 and something newton meters of torque, A45S, brand new. There's a big hype up about this car. It's expensive. Can the Golf R Stage 2 beat a brand new A45S? This is going to be so interesting. Golf R Stage 2 tuned versus A45. Imagine spending around 55k on an A45 and is about to get gapped by a Stage 2. £15,000 Golf R, which was crash damaged and brought back to life by myself. Let's get everything, traction off. To go again. That weren't fair. I need another go.
You need another car, man, not another go.
So we raced again. The Golf got a bit more grip this time, taking the lead early at the start and then finishing it off right at the end. And here's me in my Golf with the humble win. Yeah! Baz wasn't happy with losing, so we had another race. But a poor launch from the Golf R led to the Golf losing its second race versus the A45. So we decided to call it quits there, with the A45 being the winner. And look at Baz, the smug So the A45 has been consistently fast all day, but it's now time for the hot hatch to take on a supercar. And if you're enjoying the content so far, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. It's completely free and it really supports the channel. Anyway, A45S, 415 bhp, 1.6 tons versus Lamborghini, 1.5 tons and 550 bhp. On paper, the Lambo takes all, but can it get the power down? Let's see. Baz, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this. Hard on the brakes. Okay, first race goes to the Lamborghini. But of course, Baz didn't think he got a good enough start on the first race, so it was time for the second one. Oh, he's somewhere.
Yours deserves the win just because it sounds mint.
Yeah, it does sound sick and my brakes are absolutely stinking. So 2-2 overall, the first race going to the Lamborghini and the second race going to the A45. Now, we was going to sit back and call it a draw here, but that was until I found out this. The Lambo, it lost against the A45. Pretty much everything has lost against the A45 today. I'm thinking, this thing is so quick, ridiculously quick. Then Phil, the tuner at Malawi, just came over, absolutely laughing, grinning his head off, saying he stage 1 tuned the A45S yesterday. They didn't get it on the dyno, so they don't know how quick it was. But that'll be the reason why that thing is beating everyone here. So Baz is never invited again. This is what we came here for, the Golf versus the Lamborghini. Let's do it. So here it is, Volkswagen versus Lamborghini, hatchback versus supercar, David versus Goliath. 414 bhp in the Golf, weighing 1.5 tonne, 550 bhp in the Lambo, weighing 1.5 tonne, both 4-wheel drive. Let's see what happens. The Golf won! No way!
That was sick. You were catching.
Yeah, the Lambo was coming, but the Golf actually won. Oh my God. I can't let this happen. I cannot let... Honestly, my foot was flat to the floor, but the thing is with this, I don't know whether it's the tyres. It just spins in the first gear. I don't know whether it's a short shift, but I really don't know. This is going to be a close one. Round 2, let's do it. The Golf's gone. It got a better start. No! Oh my God. That's it. The Golf won.
Your boy's sick of driving. His car is so quick.
Wow. Back to me at the start line. So what an end to the day. The Lamborghini actually got beaten by the hot hatch, the Golf R, and also the stage 1 tuned A45S. That one cheated. That one definitely cheated. But I think if we had that extra bit of stretch, the Lambo would have probably kept up, but it was good to find out. I cannot believe the Golf beat the Lambo. Insane. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. A massive shout out to Everyman Racing. Remember, the free giveaway for the Gallardo track experience the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.